Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us, we appreciate it. Please subscribe, like this video, comment in the comments. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next. Today we are going to draw Bijan Robinson of the Atlanta Falcons, running back. We've gotten a lot of requests for this particular player. He's came from the University of Texas Longhorns, where he won the Doak Walker Award and was the 8th draft pick by the Atlanta Falcons in 2023. So he's brand new to the scene. Hopefully he has a great season. We're excited to see this guy play. So Bijan Robinson, here we go. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across, and we'll do Bijan Robinson's head right here. Now Bijan Robinson has a stack of hair, a stack of dreadlocks on top. So here we go. This will be unique. We're actually going to start with that top. So in the middle, curve down and curve down, almost like a half circle, okay? That's the top of his head, believe it or not. And then curve out for the top of the head. And here he goes. Here's his jaw, comes down to a point. There's his chin, comes out, same thing, and connect. Let's do a couple of ears. One big ear out there. Come straight across up top. His hair is kind of in this bun, right? So I'm gonna draw some lines to kind of show you. The picture that I referenced here, he's smiling. So I'm gonna do just a couple of lines, slanted lines, because he's got squinty, smiley eyes, which is fine. An eyebrow. Kind of just follows that. A thicker eyebrow up here. His nose is kind of, we're gonna just do a wide nose there. He's got a big happy smile, so we're gonna go down. Here's how we did it. We went down, up to a point, up, and swooped up on the end, all right? So here's his smile coming down. Color the inside of the mouth dark, bring the teeth over. There we go. The bottom lip there. Some smile lines. Some smile lines there. He's got a chin beard, so we'll scribble on some beard there. Let's do his neck. He's got a big wide neck. Boom. 2 lines down. Come down to a point and connect. Now we're going to do the shoulder pads. Bump out. Okay. Curve in. Down to the waist. Straight across. Curve this shoulder pad in. And connect down to the waist. Okay? Some of these lines are scribbly and messy. That's okay. We'll go over those with our colors later. Alright, so we got the torso of Bijan Robinson. Let's do a big football over here. Curve out. Curve out to a point and connect at the bottom. There's a football. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers holding that football. And right here, Bijan's a running back. You know, they're muscly. They gotta take a lot of hits. So we're gonna do some muscles. So bump into that football. Bump into that football there. Over here, same thing, big muscles. Bump. That's the elbow area. Bump out, curve down to the wrist. Bump out, curve down to the wrist, and here's his hand. Looking good. All right, cool. Let's do some legs. We'll come down, curve up, come down, curve, and connect to the waist. Let's do the calves and ankles. Start wide and then come down to skinnier. So start wide and then angle down, skinny, connect. Start wide, angle down, start wide, angle down. Big oversized shoes like we do for all of our athletes, so bump out for the tongue of the shoe, 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces on that side. Now we're going to get the toe of the shoe coming clear out to the edge, drop down, straight across to the ankle, heel, and connect. Bring that heel down on that side, straight across to the page over here, curve that toe up and connect to the shoelace. There we go. So we got Bijan Robinson kind of filled in here. He's got a couple of dreadlocks back here. We'll kind of fill those in. One, he's got one that's kind of flowing back there. Maybe he's got another one behind his ear, kind of poking out. Another one there. There we go. Looking good. All right. So now he's the number 7, so we're going to do straight down, cross. Now we're going to angle down, okay? Angle, straight across, come across here. Now we're going to connect this angle. Down, boom, number 7. Awesome. Alrighty, cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to do black shoes, leave the pants white with the stripes, black socks, black jersey, some highlights. We'll do the ATL. We can do the ATL right now, actually. Let's try it. We're going to get a red marker. Hopefully I still have ink in my markers. We're going to do a big A, T, L. Yeah, I'm running out of marker on this. But we'll make those. Let's see if I have another. Make it thicker here. A, T, L. Cool. We'll have to kind of color around that, and then they're gonna have red on the side of this. Okay. And then there's red that comes down on the side of the jersey. There's red that comes down on the side, kind of the armpit area. And then there's red on the pants down here. So we're gonna curve. See how we start up here? Make it thicker up top and curve, make it skinnier. Thick up top and leave it skinny and pointy at the bottom. All right. Looking awesome, Bijan. You're looking good. Let's do some red highlights on the shoes. It's gonna look really good. Let us know what you think of this guy. Do you like the Atlanta Falcons? Who's your favorite player? I know Tyler Algier is one of their good running backs right now, so Bijan Robinson's going to definitely compliment, probably take a lot of the snaps. All right, so here we go. We're going to fast forward. We're going to do black jersey, flesh colored, black socks, black shoes, flesh colored face. We'll color the hair in black, brown football. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Bijan Robinson of the Atlanta Falcons. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next and subscribe right now. Fast forward.